We've already seen that the Nokia 7 Plus is a capable camera phone, but what about the rest of it? How does the phone hold up in other aspects, especially since it commands a premium over other smartphones in this segment? This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and this is our review of the Nokia 7 Plus. The Nokia 7 Plus is a serious device when it comes to the build quality and materials used. The Series 6000 aluminum body feels spectacularly solid and robust, giving a premium feeling. The chamfered edges are very defined and the copper accents on both the white and black color variants look great. It also grips well thanks to the same effect on the edges as well as the soft touch matte finish on the rear panel. The display is a 6-inch IPS panel with full HD plus resolution. The color accuracy is pretty good and so is the sharpness. While brightness is sufficient indoors, the reflective nature of the screen does hamper sunlight legibility a bit. It's not unusable though, luckily. The camera unit at the back is a dual camera module which packs a 12 megapixel wide-angle f1.8 camera with 1.4 micron pixel size, as well as a 2x telephoto 13 megapixel sensor with f2.6 aperture and 1 micron pixel size. There's also a 16 megapixel camera at the front with f2 aperture, and there's Zeiss optics all around. We have done a full-fledged camera review of the phone and we will include a link in the description below. The fingerprint scanner is located below the camera module at the rear and also has a copper accented bezel that runs all around it. It's pretty fast and is always active, but isn't the fastest in this segment. There's a slight latency in unlocking the device after your fingerprint is recognized. Face unlock is currently unavailable, but we should get that soon in an update, along with the ability for dual 4G connectivity on both SIM slots. Speaking of SIM slots, you get a hybrid dual SIM card slot that can be used to expand the built-in 64 gigs of storage if necessary. Performance is pretty smooth, but the UI itself did show some signs of lag at times. Perhaps the current build does have some slight issues which translate to the small hiccups. But when gaming or performing daily tasks, it performs like a champ thanks to the octa-core Snapdragon 660 processor and 4 gigs of RAM. The phone is currently running Android 8.1 Oreo with an April security patch, but as always, Nokia will definitely be one of the first to issue the May security patch and also to update the phone to Android P. In fact, you can already try out the Android P beta build yourselves if you enroll yourself for the same. The phone has a USB Type-C port at the bottom that also supports 18-watt quick charging, and the 3800 mAh battery provides pretty good battery life, and we got more than 6 hours of screen on time always, and it takes around an hour and a half for a full charge from 15%. The speaker is loud but is still a mono experience, and the audio quality over the earphones is good but not great. It has a slight difficulty in powering headphones with higher impedance. Overall, the Nokia 7 Plus is a great smartphone, albeit a bit pricey. You're paying extra for the build quality, the design and the quick software updates, but perhaps a bit for nostalgia too. While it may not win all battles against the Note 5 Pro, it most definitely is the more unique one among the two, and if you're looking for an all-rounder smartphone that's perhaps a bit more rare in the wild, then the Nokia 7 Plus won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.